Hello everyone, this is lesson number 57, HSK free, and let's see words from previous lesson first. 眼睛,眼睛 eyes, 头发,头发 hair, 鼻子,鼻子 nose, 耳朵,耳朵 ear, 嘴,嘴 mouth, 脸,脸 face, 短 短 short, 马 马 horse, 张 张 a measure word for flat object, right? 位 位 a measure word for respected person, 蓝 蓝 blue, 秋天秋天 autumn. And first one for today is 过 过 to spend, to celebrate. This one, go, has a lot of different translation. Here's only one of them. Let's see. I celebrated a festival. 我过了一个节日。我过了 I celebrated. I spent my time on this. We just celebrated. 我过了一个 one 节日 festival 节日 holiday festival. 我过了一个节日节日过了。Let's say another variation. Autumn passes very quickly. 秋天过得很快。Here's 过 like a pass, like a spend time, right? 秋天 autumn 过 pass 过 and then describe how does it pass. 很快 very quickly. 秋天过得很快。秋天过得很快的很快。Next one. He spends his time very comfortably. 他过得很舒服。过 here's 过 spends time. 他过得很舒服。舒服 comfortable. 他过得很舒服 very comfortable. 他过得很舒服。舒服。Next one. 鸟 鸟 bird. Bird. 鸟 It's look like a bird, really. I heard a bird chirping. What? Chirping. 我听到一只鸟叫。We know 叫 as to call someone, or 我叫你叫什么名字？叫。But here is 叫 a bit different. It's okay. 我听到 I heard. 听 is to hear. 到 is to finish. So 听到 it's heard. 我听到一只鸟。只 as you remember, measure word for small animals. And 鸟 is a small animal bird. 一只鸟叫 also call someone, also to shout, to make a sound. So the sound that makes this bird is creating some sound. It's called chirping, right? But here is just 叫. She calls, she make a noise, something like that. 我听到一只鸟叫。I heard a bird chirping. Next one. The bird flies very high. Sometimes we can call it 鸟. Also, we can call it 鸟, but it's very rare, I think. But maybe in North China, they use this 鸟, but it's 鸟，飞得很高，飞 to fly, and describe how does he fly. 飞得很高 very high. 鸟 or 鸟飞得很高 Next one. In autumn, there are few birds. 秋天鸟很少。少 it's a sometimes rare, sometimes small. but small is 小 shao is small amount of something. 很少 very few of birds. 很少。秋天 in autumn or 秋天是秋天的时候 also could be or just 秋天鸟很少 very small amount of we remember 点 and 鸟 this we can also 鸟 just variation 秋天鸟很少 very small amount of something 很少 do not misuse it with a 很小 小 it's another 很小 it's a very small but there is a small amount of something. Next one is哭 to cry. 哭 as you can see it's like two ices and but of course it's not ice it's mouth and tai and not tai 福丈夫的福大夫的夫 but looks like this a dot like someone's face and someone crying but still just for reference 哭 to cry he cries very sadly 他哭得很伤心 is sad or sadly because this is the but mostly sad 我很伤心 or他哭得很伤心伤 it's wound to hurt maybe also 心 heart so when you have a wound heart or hurted heart you can say sad 他哭得很伤心他哭得很伤心对 next one I saw him crying 我看到他哭了我看到 I saw 他哭了 he was crying 他哭了 I saw him crying or I saw he cried maybe also him crying 我看到他哭了他哭了 Next one she cries very loudly with her mouth 她用嘴哭得很响响 here is also has a lot of meanings but here is loud 很响他用 he utilize or he use or with 他用嘴 he uses his mouth or with mouth 哭得很响cry very loudly 哭得很响他用嘴哭得很响next one is 黄河黄 it's a yellow 河 it's a river so 黄河 is a yellow river or Chinese river right 黄河 the yellow river is very long 黄河很长 here is not 长 it's 长 long 黄河很长 the river is very long I'm very happy to pass through the yellow river 我经过黄河很开心我经过 here is 经过 sometimes 经过 is after something but here is to pass through something so 我经过黄河很开心 I'm very happy to pass 我经过黄河 dot also could be 我很开心 in way so because I passed I'm very happy 我经过黄河很开心 happy next one there are boats on the river on the yellow river 黄河上有船 it's a boat 黄河上 on top of something on the yellow river 黄河上有 has 船 or there are right there are boats on the yellow river 黄河上 游船，船，对，黄河上有船。Next, it's our 船, boat or ship. If you see this character on the left, it looks like a seal. Raise up your. It looks like this white, white. I forgot in English. But something. This character represented something connected with boat, with ships, with some things in the sea. You know, pirates use this thing on a boat because. Okay, never mind, never mind. I take a boat across the yellow river. 我坐船过黄河. Here's 坐. 坐 is to sit in something, but also could be a take something. So I take a boat. 我坐船 or I sit in boat. 坐船过 here is across. So we know 过 has a lot of meanings. One of them across something. 我坐船过黄河 and across the yellow river. 我坐船过黄河. The boat is very short and slow. 船很短很慢. 船 the boat 很短 very short 很慢 and very slow. 船很短很短很慢. 短 is short, right? 慢 it's a slow, but it's not short about your head because for head we have I. But man is slow, right? So short for objects. We know 长 long, 短 short. 船很短很慢. 对. Next one, he drives a boat through a park. 他开船经过公园. 他开 here is to drive something. He drives. 他开船 He drives a boat. 经过 through 公园 park. So he drives a boat through the park. So 经过 next one. Okay. To pass, to go through. So we will see 经过 in more details. But let's see. 他开船 He drives a boat. 经过公园 To pass or to go through the park. 经过公园. So as you can see, here's 过 经过 and this one 穿过 also can say 经过 or just 过. So be careful because words sometimes are a bit misleading. And last one for today is 经过 经 it's also has a lot of meaning. 疫情的经经历的经 This one is really has a lot of meanings. 经过 to pass, to go through. Let's see. I pass through a street. 我经过一条街道. 街道 as you remember, it's a street, and 桥 it's a measure verb, measure object, measure word for streets. But not for streets, for long objects, and streets is one of them. 一条街道. 我经过一条街道. One. Let me check quickly. A tone. As you remember, he's only reading like with the first tone only when you say one. But if you say with some words, it's 一桥. As you can see here, it's 一桥. So this one is a bit not 100 correct. But it's correct, but you need to change by yourself when you're reading. 我经过一桥街道. 一桥 I passed through one of for a street. 我经过一条街道. The boat passes through the yellow river. 船经过黄河。船 boat 经过 to pass through a yellow river 黄河。船经过黄河。Next one, he is very happy passing by my house. 他经过我家，很开心。他经过 he passed through 他经过我家 he passed through my home 我家。他经过我家 and he's very happy 很开心。很开心 you can say 他很开心 or just 很开心。他经过我家，很开心。He is very happy passing by my house. Whatever it means. And let's repeat what we learned. 过 to spend, to celebrate, sometimes also spend time with someone, right? 过鸟 bird, sometimes also could be 鸟 but it's very rare. 鸟 it's okay. 鸟哭 to cry. 我哭了 I cried. 黄河 the yellow river in China. 黄河船 boat a ship 船 and 经过 to pass to go through. Sometimes it's not only in the object. Sometimes after I have gone through a lot of difficulties. Also can be 经过. Also, it's only one of translation to pass. So we have one new idiom for today. Don't forget. Last time we learned 塞翁失马, border old man lose horse. A blessing in disguise. The old man lost his horse. Blessing in disguise. 塞翁失马. Today we learn this one. 滥竽充数. Lan is excessive. Yu bamboo flute. Chong fill. Shu number. Play the flute poorly to fill a number. Or pass off as qualified. Pass off as qualified. 滥竽充数. What does it mean? Ah, 明白了。滥竽充数. It's pretty easy. So it's really play the flute purely to fill a number. Pass off as qualified. To play the flute purely, you can say off. Pretend that you can play on flute to fill a number. He passes off as qualified to join the class. 他滥竽充数，红金班里. It's a bit complicated. 混 it's you can say like joy, right? 混进 it's to I think it's not also could be join sneak into something, blend in. 混 it's it's a bit interesting. 混 it's to mix, mingle, hang around, blended. So he blended into some classes. It's a bit hard, but it's very interesting idiom. 滥竽充数. 滥竽, what does it translation say? Whatever confusing plethora. Interesting. 滥竽充数. Pretty interesting. And see you in next one.